In order to make it easier for you to use your Bitmoji on things like slides and on Photopea or Photoshop or anything of that matter, it's really helpful to have the Bitmoji extension for Chrome. So just do a quick Google search for Bitmoji extension for Chrome. You'll select the very first one. And since I've already got my Bitmoji created, at this point, you may be able to create your Bitmoji character if you do not have one already. And so you can log in using your school email address and then, have fun with it, get creative and make yourself into a cartoon. It's super cool. But then once you are ready for that, then you will just add it to Chrome, add the extension. You may have to log in. I know I've already logged in a couple times, but this is my latest sort of costume where I have red hair, I have a disguise on, and I've got the skeleton outfit on. So that's pretty much all there is to it. And let's see, that should be all there is to it. And so this little guy should be popping up here. And this is just that I'm logged in. These are the extensions. Um, and so I should have just about everything. So let's see if I go back to Google here. There we go. So then you can also pin your Bitmoji extension. So it's right up at the top, ready to go, right? So when you open up your Whip journal, you could just very simply click on your Bitmoji. You can right click on the image that you want to use, copy image, come on over to your slide and right click again and paste. And boom, there you go. Same thing works for Photopea. So, or Photopea, I say both. However, when you are ready to work on your new project, having your background house and also your Bitmoji, you can see here I've got this guy on a completely different layer. Oops. You want to make sure that you're selected on the correct layer in order to move it around. And in order to change the size and control all of that, obviously you do not want to distort it so much. You could press the shift key down and notice how I'm kind of changing the size of it. But also when you are selected here, I believe, let's see if distances does it. No, I don't think that will do it. Auto select is usually good to have there, but again, yeah. So this looks like it's going to be more distorted, which on Photoshop you could do something a little bit different where it doesn't distort. So what I would suggest is, if you are distorted, just press the Shift key, and it should pop it back into the regular proportion. Okay, and then when you're all done with that, then you check mark and you're all set. If you want, you can move it around or however you want. And so in addition to the Chrome extension, say I wanted to take one of these guys and copy the image and then come on over here. And if I just right click, actually I can't right click, but I can go into edit and paste. And then that should automatically put it on a brand new layer. And if I have these two check boxes checked, auto select and transform controls, then you should be able to resize it. If transform controls is not selected, then you might be really kind of scrambling and trying to figure out how to actually resize it. So one little click and there you go. And then I can have this guy kind of floating in the sky. Super fun.